Hello student, I would like to welcome on the behalf of Nandip English Medium School, Morbande Borage. I am Kiran Harishchandra Darekar. I am teaching information technology and computer science subject since 8 years. In this video, we will take an introduction about IT subject. So we will discuss about syllabus, content and what we will learn in IT and the benefits of IT. If you consider the syllabus, IT having 4 chapters, that is Introduction to IT, Introduction to DBMS, Impressive Web Designing, and Cyber Law. So we'll see some basic concept in IT. So it is the information technology. So what do you mean by information? The processed data is nothing but information. Now see what is data. The all known fact is called as data. So data can be in the form of number, text, image, audio, video. Different type of data is available in e-material, as you see. So when we are gather this data and when we are processing on it, then it is we are getting the information. To gather the information, to collect the information, to process it, manipulate it, delete it, and transmission of information is done by the technology. That technology is nothing but information technology. So for that we are using different tools. Now see, we all are at home, but by sitting at home, we are attending the lecture. This is a wide application of IT. Now all types of works are done online. So this is an application of IT. Hence, government has introduced IT subject in our 11th and 12th science. Then in the first chapter, we come to know that what is the information, what is data, what are the different types of data types, then what is hardware, what are the different types of softwares. Basically, software consists system software and application software. Then system software consists operating systems like Linux operating system. And if you see the syllabus, it is an advanced syllabus. The concepts which we are using in daily life, that is in our syllabus. We are preferring Linux operating system, which is open source operating system. Also, we come to know that different types of hardwares. Basically, computer hardwares are categorized into 3 types. That is input devices, output devices, and memory devices. As you know that we are using the computer everywhere. Computer is now a part of our life. If you see our mobile phone, it is an also application of IT, because all the functions of computers are done by the mobile. All different types of softwares applications are available in our mobile phone. This is because of programming languages, and that programming languages we have to learn in IT subject. Friends, we are visiting to different types of websites, and to design the website we are using HTML language, JavaScript, PHP. So different types of programming languages are used. Basically, computer applications are classified into 2 types. One is window based application and second one is web based application. Window based application means what? When we did not connections of internet, means if you are offline, then also our computers or programs are run. In such applications are called as window based application, where there is no need of internet. But many of the applications we are using that should be connected to internet, means without internet, without online, that applications are not run. So such application is known as web based application. So in 11 we are also capable, we will learn uh, how to design the website. So for designing the website, we are using HTML language, that is hypertext markup language. So HTML language consists different types of tags. We have to study that all tags, then its attributes. Also, to interact with the web page, we require the JavaScript language, which is a object-oriented programming language. And we can, by understanding everything, we can easily design our own website also. Also, we can give so many instructions to the computers because computer is depend on only instructions. Computer receives the instructions by the input devices, microprocessor is processing on it, and it display output with different output devices. So as we are using the internet day by day, there is also we have to take so many precautions while using internet, because as usage of internet is increased, there is also increase in cyber crimes, because when we are using internet, on that internet we are also sharing our personal details. We are using the transactions, online transactions. So at that time we are providing our email address, our bank details, our credentials we are providing. So sometime there is also chances to hack the our personal information, and for that we have to understand cyber security. So what types of cyber crimes are there? How to prevent cyber crimes? What types of ethics we have to follow while using internet? That all things we will study in our IT subject. So what is a program? What is the actual programming language? Program means simply simple word. Program is a set of instruction, and computer is run on only instructions. So program is a set of instruction and software is a set of programs. So when we are adding one or more web pages to one application under one website, then it's we are successfully complete the one web application. So such a web applications we have to design we have to design in our 11th science. And also we have to also take detailed knowledge about hardwares, softwares, hardware types, then networkings, types of networking, how network is classified. Basically, network is classified into three types: local area network, that is LAN, wide area network, that is WAN, and metropolitan area network, that is MAN. So in such a way, we are connecting all the computation whole world to a single channel, to a single network. So that also we have to study in our IT. Then also, if you consider the internet, we must have to understand the cyber laws. Our government also designed the IT Act. So under IT Act, so many provisions are given for to prevent our data. Now see what type of paper patterns and what are the benefits after taking information technology subject along with our PCM subject. Guys, we have a IT subject for 100 marks. Among that, 80 marks having theory and 20 marks for practical. So in 80 marks, this paper is totally object oriented. Means among 80, there are 60 marks for objectives and only 20 marks for theoretical questions. And the paper mode is online. So we have to solve this paper online, and the exam center is also our computer lab. We have 60 computers in our computer lab. So this is a benefit because IT is subject having minimum chapters, only 4 chapters for IT for 11th and only 6 chapters for 12th also. So we did not require more time to study IT, but if you study properly, ultimately we are also increasing our score. It's IT improve the score, and we can also secure more score in that. Minimum students are getting marks up to 75 and maximum students are getting marks up above 85. Then another advantage of IT subject is that as you are programming base is um, become proper in 11th IT and 12th IT. So if when we are getting admission for higher educations like graduations, it will be the engineering. So your programming base will become perfect, and that will helpful for your that education also, because computer is such a subject where which is applicable, which is given to all branches in higher educations. Means in engineering also there is for one semester there is IT subject, and also we have to also become the IT literate. Means IT subject is very useful in our daily life also, because also we have to take so many precautions. That precautions also listed in our syllabus. So we'll get the information when we'll get the information technology subject, ultimately we will improve our score, as well as also we can utilize the time for other subject and other things. Friends, if you have any query, then ask me anytime. Thank you. Stay home, be safe, take care.